Now, coming to a question which suddenly comes to my mind, you work with such talent set प्रतिभा से ଆପଣ କାମ କରିଛନ୍ତି. I don't want to play favorites, but obviously he is everybody's favorite because this gentleman who you have worked with has reinvented himself so many times, and he is like a. We don't want to give this presidents of Hollywood. The Hollywood विभिन्न director, actor actor, director I'm talking about the one and only Amitabh Bachchan, and Madhav has worked with him in God's Own People, and also in the future I think you have been wanting to work with him in some films. So Amitabh Bachchan himself has given the voice for God's Own People, जो हमारा पूरी मंदिर और जगन्नाथ के ऊपर जो world renowned documentary है. So what was the experience? Everybody has an anecdote who's in Bollywood about Amitabh Bachchan. So what's your take?
See, why Bachchan Saab is what, almost 80?
Okay. 78, yeah.
Another 78. So why Bachchan Saab still can do so much of work? You know, recently he went to -degree temperature after COVID at that age. The best part of an artist is the spirit in your mind, in your soul. It is that spirit which makes you alive, makes you work. Bachchan Saab's spirit, here it is. He was, for this film, he gave the voiceover for free, narration for free, no money charged. He was supposed to finish in one day. First day, he comes. The best thing in the whole industry knows that Bachchan Saab is always dot on time. So that's how I went half an hour before. He came 5 minutes before the time, and early morning. Ratire 12 jaye shoot karichhanti, sakala 5 tare right in the studio. Okay. He gave the voice that day. While he was giving voice, he said, "Mr. Panda, it's not working, it seems." I said, "Sir, thoda sa to gadbad lag raha hai." He said, "It's okay. I'll come tomorrow. Tell me what time." Next day he comes, and then he realized that it cannot happen over one day. So we take part-wise for 4 days. He comes and he gave voice. And his discipline is what makes him still a hero. And for me, he's still a biggest hero. It still works. He still do that many numbers of cinemas and good cinemas till now. Okay. That ideology, punctuality, and passion तो obviously है, talent तो obviously है, handsome तो है ही. But बाकी जो है, at this age also, in every minute he is specific about his timing, his work. Something is not working out, it's fine, I'll repeat that. He considers himself that, imagine आज की डेट पे हमारे जो बोलते हैं घमंड, बहुत सारे एक्टर्स में आती हैं कि मैं बोल दिया तो हो गया और सेकंड टेक लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Bachchan Saab is saying, tell me if it's not working, I'll do it again. So somebody making himself fail, who is the, one of the biggest star of this country is Bachchan Saab, and he is saying that, boss, मैं 3 बार बोल चुका हूँ, it's not working. Means he is considering that I did not work well, or it's something I did not know, or I did not work. But he considers that and gives his best. That's how he is a star. So that is the biggest take what one can take as talent. Because ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ଆସେ as an artist, ଭଗବାନ ତ କହିବେନି we are very talented गोटे आउ गोटे problem we face as artists, we face lot of personal fight. One success handle करवाटा बहुत मुश्किल है, because why? Cinema is one artistic format जो थे overnight you can become a national star, international star in one day, which is why we lose it also, because we can't cope up with that kind of success. The people who hold it well, they go long run. So is Bachchan Saab, so is Rajinikanth sir. Look at how many years they have been ruling with their act. Years after years after years. Yes, Chopra. I mean, he made film till his last breath. Yes, his last film, they say, at that age, with 0 degree temperature, they said he was running like 18 years old boy.
That's a great insight. Obviously, sometimes being a hero is not what you do in front of the camera, it's the way you live your life. So I think Amitabh Bachchan is one of those all-time greats who's an icon for everybody. that brings me to another question. Amitabh Bachchan, obviously everybody wants to do something with Amitabh Bachchan if you're a filmmaking line. Which other Bollywood actor or actress would you think you have not worked with and would want to?
Well, I would consider another great talent in the
Since you work with some of the real actors.
Yeah, but
And
no.
we're not talking about celebrities.
It's
Maybe
not
a
only
celebrity, an actor.
Celebrity is the new greatest talent is Alia Bhatt. I consider her to be one of the finest talent in the country. She has something, I admire her work. I mean, of course, there are number of people you would like to work with, okay? But I mean, I don't see star or not star, I always consider who fits into my role. There's nothing else, So we casting, in fact, recently for a series, and when the casting director asked your preference, I said nothing. Just figure out who works best for the role, and that's how I have worked.
Neelam Madhav always likes coming back to this place because we have created an ambience which is for art, culture. आपण मैंने जो जानने आती बोक्का ओडिया बोक्का means also means bookka because we have to be all stupid to learn new things. So books, office, coffee, culture and art. And here films, I think, is everything.
Yeah.
And you also need to have coffee every time to keep our creative juices going. In our own live audience in the studio here we have Chinmay Das. Chinmay is a young filmmaker. ଆଉ ସେ ୱେବ୍ ସିରିଜ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟାରୀ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ୱାନ୍ ଫିଲ୍ମ ବି ହେଲ୍ଡ ଇନ୍ ଆସୋସିଏସନ୍ with ଯେଉଁଟା ଆମର ମୁଖ୍ୟମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ନିଜେ ସିନେମାଟା କୋଡ଼ିଏ ମିନିଟ୍ର ସିନେମାଟା ଦେଖିଥିଲେ ବାଜି ରାଉତଙ୍କ ଉପରେ. So I'm sure filmmakers like him can be an inspiration to the next generation. ମୁଁ ଚିନ୍ମୟ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରେ, ମୁଁ ଚିନ୍ମୟକୁ ପଚାରିବି ଆଉ ମାଧବ ଇଜ୍ ଅଲ୍ସୋ ସେମ୍, ମାନେ କ୍ରିଏଟିଭ୍ ହେବା ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଲମ୍ବା ଚୁଟି ରଖିବା ଦରକାର?
ଦାଢ଼ି ଲମ୍ବା ଚୁଟି ଟିକେ
ସେମିତି ନାହିଁ, କାଟିବାକୁ ଭୁଲି ଯାଉଛୁ କାଟିବାକୁ ଭୁଲି ଯାଉଛୁ
କାଟିବାକୁ ଭୁଲି ଯାଉଛି
ହେଲେ ବହୁତ ସିନେମା ବନଉଛ, ମୋଠୁ ବି ବେଶୀ ବନଉଛ
ସେ ଜାଗା କ୍ଲିନ୍ ସେଭେନ୍ ହେଇକି ଫ୍ରେଞ୍ଚ ବିୟର୍ଡ ରଖିବାକୁ ସେତିକି ସୁବିଧା ପାଉଛନ୍ତି.
ଏଠି କ୍ରିଏଟିଭ୍ ହେବାକୁ ହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ବଢ଼ିଆ ଜିନିଷ ଦେଖିଛି ଆଉ ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ହେଲା. ଏଇଟା ବହୁତ ଗୁରୁଜୀ ଯେଉଁ ଆମର ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଭଲ ବି ଲାଗେ, ସେ ବସିବେ ହେଲା. ମୁଁ କେତେଟା ଗୁରୁଜୀ ପାଖକୁ ଯାଇଛି ଆମ ଓଡ଼ିଶୀର, ସେ କହିଲା ଏଇଟା ସିଙ୍ଗର, ଓଡ଼ିଶୀ ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସର, ଏଇଟା ଆମକୁ ବି କରିବା ଉଚିତ. ସେ ପାନରେ ଯେଉଁ କ୍ରିଏଟିଭିଟି ଥାଏ ହେଲା, ବାକି କଥାଟା କହୁନି, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଯେଉଁ ରୋଲିଂ ବାଲା ପାନରେ ସେ ପାନଟା ଆଣିକିରି ତାର ଯେଉଁ ଆର୍ଟ ଥାଏ ବାନ୍ଧିବାର ହେଲା. ଗୁରୁଜୀ କେଳୁ ମହାରାଜଙ୍କର ଦେଖିଛି ହେଲା, କେଳୁ ବାବୁଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁରେ ସେ ପାନ ଉପରେ ଏତେ ଯେଉଁ କଥା କହୁଥିଲି ନା, ତୁମକୁ ସିଧା ଲାଗିବ କି ମୁଁ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରୁ ଫ୍ଲାଇଟ୍ଟା ଧରିକି ଆସିବି ପାନ ଉପରେ ଆର୍ଟ ଖାଇବି. ପାନର ଯେଉଁ କ୍ରିଏଟିଭିଟି ଅଛି ନା, ପାନଟା ଥିବ ତାପରେ ପୁଚ୍ କରିକି କଥାଟା କହୁଥିବ, ସେଇଟା ହେଉଛି ବେଷ୍ଟ କ୍ରିଏଟିଭିଟି. ମୋର୍ ଦେନ୍ ଚୁଟି ଫୁଟି ପାନ ଖାଇବା ଉଚିତ.
In fact, coming to another, we had recently had a family wedding and a lot of people had come from Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai, Bhubaneswar, unfortunately during COVID had a bad reconnection because actress said the best this that is found in Bhubaneswar. So ମୁଁ ଆମର ଗେଷ୍ଟ ମାନଙ୍କୁ କହିଲି ତମେ ସୋସିଆଲ ମିଡ଼ିଆରେ ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ଦୟାକରି କହିବେନି, we don't want Bhubaneswar to be known for the wrong reasons. So creativity comes with lot of stuff. ଆମେ ଭୁଲିଯିବା ପୁଣି. ଚିନ୍ମୟ ତମ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କ'ଣ?
ଡାଉଟ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି କି ଆମେ ଧର ଗୋଟେ ଟପିକ୍ ଚୁଜ୍ କରୁଛେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କାହାଣୀ ତା ପାଇଁ ସାଇମଲ୍ଟେନିୟସଲି ବନାଉଛେ, ଆଉ ତ ସେ ଯେଉଁ ଟପିକ୍ ଚୁଜ୍ କରୁଛେ ଆଉ କାହାଣୀର ପେଜ୍ଟା କେମିତି ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ ହେବ, ମିନ୍ସ ଯଦି ଆମର ଟପିକ୍ଟା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ଅଛି ମୋ କାହାଣୀ ହାଲକା ହେଇଯାଉଛି କି ମୁଁ ବୋରିଂ ହେଇଯାଉଛି, ତ ମୁଁ ସେତିକି ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚି ପାରୁନି କି କମର୍ସିଆଲି ଫ୍ଲପ୍ ହେଇଯାଉଛି କି କିଛି ବି ହେଉଛି. କାହାଣୀଟା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ଚଟପଟା କରୁଛି ମୁଁ କମର୍ସିଆଲି ହିଟ୍ ହେବା ପାଇଁ କି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ ଆର୍ଟିଷ୍ଟକୁ ନେଉଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଟପିକ୍କୁ ଇନସଲ୍ଟ କରୁଛି. ତ ଦୁଇଟାଙ୍କର ପେସ୍ କେମିତି ମେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ ହେଲେ ବେଟର୍ ହେବ, ତ ଏଇଟା କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଥିଲା.
ବେସିକ୍ ଥିଓରି ହେଲା, ମୋ ବହି ଉପରେ ପରେ କଥା ହେବ. ବହିର ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ରିଟର୍ନ ଟୁ ଇନୋସେନ୍ସ ହେଲା. ଆମ ସବୁବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ଜିନିଷ କ'ଣ, ନର୍ମାଲି ଆଜ୍ ଅ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ବିଇଂ ଅଲସୋ, ଯେଉଁଟା ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଫେଲ୍ଡ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି and I'm trying to do that. କେତେ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ନିଜ ଭିତରେ ଇନୋସେନ୍ସ ରଖିବାଟା ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଛୁଆଳିଆ ପ୍ରକୃତି, କିଛି ଛୁଆଳିଆ ଜିନିଷ ରଖିବାଟା. वी हैव बिकम सो प्रेजुडिस्ड ब्लांट जे जेटा कहल तुम क्वेश्चन रे ही सब प्रॉब्लम अच्छी. यू क्वेश्चन इज ऑल द प्रॉब्लम. टॉपिक तुम जितकी कथा कहल मु आउ किसी बुझी पारनी आफ्टर पॉइंट माने टॉपिकटा एटा हवा कथा कि नहीं ट्रिटमेंटटा एटा हवा कथा नहीं केटा हवा कथा कि नहीं यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग सो मेनी थिंग्स नो यू ट्राइंग टू गिव अ फॉर्मेट गिव अ स्पेस सेटा आर्किटेक्चर करिवो बिल्डिंग लागी बिल्डिंगटा केनते ठिया हबो केनते कलर हबो केनते देखा
ମାନେ
जिवो
ବୁଝିଲି ପଡ଼ିବ
सानू बाबूर बिल्डिंग बोले ताकू कौन पसंद लगे ताको स्त्री कहला एटा ताको से ये जहाँ कहबे से हिसाब रे करिवो when you make a film it's you your clear picture your clear vision nobody should stop it you should not think I want to do like this is what my story okay do you follow Cannes festival Cannes रे मु बहुत वर्ष गली तापर मु भाली सब वर्ष रे नुआ नुआ फिल्म देखली मते बहुत वर्ष पर रियलाइज कली see why this festival is so important what is happening in the festival what kind why when they select a lineup it becomes world the whole world is looking at Cannes for lineup asila so then I start following the films year after year after year what are those artists have done what are those directors have done what they have done every film every year has something new about it a great piece of new art, storytelling, format, jahavio, and purely about what the director thinks and what they have done. So when you think of a story, it's just you. Tumhare learning, like I have a very bad habit, whether good or bad, I don't know. When I start shooting a film, when I think of that more a script from a film banaibi, tar plan ho 3 मास 6 मास वर्ष jaha bhi lago, I stop reading books, I stop watching films. So that nobody can divert my mind how I want to do the film. So if you see any of my films, not a single film you will consider that a scene ta say film ro same thing laguchi. You will never find that. I can challenge on that. Okay. So what is that? What I mean by saying to you is the clarity is you. You are the star. You are the boss. You are everything. आ गोटे मेजर कन्सिडरेसन मत बहुत बेले कहती मत गोटे दुटा प्रोड्यूसर आसे सारे जो टॉपिकटा नहीं ना क्लाइमेट चेंज एटा सुपरहिट हो वर्ल्ड आई एम नॉट अ एनजीओ आई एम नॉट अ सोशल वर्कर मैन आई एम एन आर्टिस्ट ताले तो दबंग भी बढ़िया टॉपिक ना पुलिस करप्शन उपरे थिला सेटा भी बढ़िया सोशल इश्यू सेटा भी से हिसाब से देखो ना से तो सलमान बोलिक देखु अरे मोटा मोर फिल्म ना पूरा सिनेमा करे देखो टॉपिक कौन इट इज माय आर्टिस्टिक प्रेजेंटेशन हाउ आई हैव टोल्ड द स्टोरी इट्स नॉट योर टॉपिक it's not your issue. I am named as social filmmaker. Why can't you call me just a filmmaker?
Stereotype.
I mean, why? I'm a filmmaker. No, seriously, not. But at times I feel offended. Are fine, I make every film has socially relevant issue, man. Dabang re bhi achi से रोहित शेट्टी फिल्म भी सोशल इश्यू अच्छी से गुड़ा सोशल इश्यू कहीं नहीं व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कमर्शियल एंड सोशल नो देयर इज नथिंग आई एम कलाम रो रेवेन्यू मॉडल देखिए शाहरुख खान रो फिल्म रो परसेंटेज अपेक्षा आई एम कलाम बेसी रेवेन्यू मॉडल कम से 100 कोटी रो फिल्म करके 300 कोटी हो ना आई एम कलाम कोटी रो फिल्म करके 20 कोटी कमेला तार फिल्म बेसी पैसा कमेला सो व्हाई आर यू लुकिंग एट दैट स्पेस सो एज अ यंग फिल्म मेकर यू हैव ग्रेट फ्रीडम डूड you have great energy, great world. You living in a perfect time to make cinema. As an Odia living in Bhubaneswar, in fact, you have the greatest model. तो मैं 70,000 टक्का रे फीचर फिल्म बने के लिए ऑस्कार पहुंची पारिबो. Let me tell you that. If you have the talent, believe in yourself, you can do it. People have done around the world. You know, I always say this line, I do not wait for the heaven to fall or Ambani to come and pay me to make a film. I have made films with my own, hard-earned, blood-shed money. I've done it. And I've been failed, फिर pass, मुझे जल्दी एग्जाम में फेल होते नहीं मोर फिल्म में भी फेल होती. That's matter. आर्टिस्ट लगी सक्सेस होती तुम बढ़िया से तुम कहानी कही पार कि नहीं. So in conclusion, I would say, first you have a story, you have a topic, then you decide how do you want to say it. Sometimes you might need breathing space, so you discuss with 5 of your friends and get a feedback. Not necessarily you will choose what they say, but it's a reflection of how you're thinking. It doesn't matter if they like or not like. You like me or not.
Chinmay, as a filmmaker, actor, so ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ କିନ୍ତୁ କହିବାକୁ ପଡ଼େ ଯେ struggling director, struggling actor and that. So coming to me,
Everybody is struggling.
so coming to me, ମୁଁ ଏବେ କହିଦେଉଛି one thing that I am now a struggling producer. Okay.
I'm also struggling director.
You know, struggling why? Because I was before the interview, I was telling you that I was never thinking of getting audiovisual, but so many people thankfully are coming to me and saying, "Apna film banele, ame direct karibu, ame acting karibu," which gives me that thing that I should have gone into this long back. I was discussing, and one of my ambitions was something I want to co-produce or produce a film which is directed by Nirvana. It's my bucket list, and we have been discussing this that we should do something together. But I think we had discussed a very nice topic, musical-based Western Odisha film. Coming to that, jo award circuit, you've seen this interview. One of the persons said, "ये tribal film को ले award मिले, सच्ची में tribal film करते हैं, does nothing for the tribals."
Yeah,
so what is your take on that?
No, it's whether there's tribals or not tribals. You saw indigenous tribal, you saw Bondo Hill. Please understand that for an artist, for a viewer, they can see climate change, they can see Bondo Hill on National Geography also. When they see your feature film, they are watching your story, how innovatively you have presented your story or you have presented your basic topic, okay, whichever, whatever the way you see. They are not committed. If they want to see that indigenous or which has never been seen or remote Bondo Hill or climate change, there are a lot of documentaries coming on National Geography and Discovery and many other channels. So your film is not an information film, you know. Like I say, when you say social film, my job is सरकार अच्छी NGO अच्छी मु लोगों को message खाली देवा लगी. Eventually, I always say my film carries a lot of social message. Why? Because I go so close to that. I do a lot of research. So I have a lot of relevance close to people. I am Kalam, for example. You know, to define you in a very interesting way what I have been saying, I am Kalam is about a very dark, depressing topic. गोटे छुआ ढाबारे काम करुच्ची चाइल्ड लेबर एठू बोली डिप्रेसिंग आउ किछ ना ता घरे खाइबा को नहीं तो ता माँ को 2 पैसा पहुँचेबो बोलिकी सी आसिक ढाबारे काम कर कैन देयर बी मोर डार्कर देन दिस नो बट हियर इज स्टोरी
काई बताऊं भाई साहब 2 साल से सूख्या पड़ा मानस तो मानस ढोर डांगर तक पानी ने तरसे पेट री बात काई बताऊं थाने
तभी तो बड़े बोल रहे हैं पापी पेट नाच नचावे पेट रे खातिर धानी छोड़ा ठेवना पड़े.
It is one of the most entertaining films in that genre. You will laugh, you will cry. You see suddenly your biggest Bollywood villain, Bhushan Grover, playing a simple gentleman walking in a dhaba. Okay. There is a funny character, Laptan. Okay. Shua. So you see a star in that child. I made him a hero.
ऐसी चाय नहीं पी कभी जिंदगी में मजा आ गया.
अरे बेटा बड़ी मशहूर है.
चाय में चाय भाटी साथ चाय बाकी सब जाए जाए समझा.
एक बार और बनाऊं.
छोटू चल जा उठे साफ कर.
ओ हड्डी हड्डी तो अपना काम कर बना एक बार बना के जा काम कर अपना.
So you find entertainment, you find nice music, you see nice visuals. So that's my genre I tried. I did not put a genre. मेरे पूरा फिल्म रो मतलब जदि खाली था कि चाइल्ड लेबर न करवा उचित बोल कि मेसेज देन मोर एड बनी था सरकार लगी एत दूर घर बिकी फिल्म कहीं बनई दी आ मोर कौन आवश्यक जे एतकी तो नुह कि मो पाखे एतकी पैसा अच्छी घर द्वार बिकी गोटे मेसेज देवा लगी करी मु डेफिनेटली मु भी चेष्टा करती फिल्म रो पैसा आसो मो घरटा वापस आसो. So remember, it is the soul which is telling the story.
So there should not be any dilution in this. process of filmmaking je koti gote compromise obviously there will be for money
There
for
will
everything, but it should not be a conscious compromise.
No prejudice, no consciousness. That makes our art get win.
Okay, before we, it's getting very interesting, and you must promise that you'll come back again for the second series of this, because there's so much of insights and introspection on the films you have done yourself.
Yeah.
Every film is a case study, and I'm sure we can talk about that for a bigger audience, for more diversity, right? Our sahit achandi Sujan is a young actor. I've seen his work in a production of ours in a web series which Martin directed. The Dreamers wali gote web series ane kartili, and Dreamers is a very close thing to me because I'm a college gote Dream Fest wali gote college festival kartlu. When Chima said he wants to do a series of that, I said okay, gets me back to the roots.
Nice.
Sujan did a wonderful job there, and if you get a chance you can watch that on MoTV. It's a 4 episode thing. Sujan, I know they say he's a creative thinker, so he has films inside him also, not that only as an actor. So as an actor, as a filmmaker, कौन प्रश्न अच्छी तमरो माध्यम से?
सर थैंक यू सर माय नेम इज सिजन महापात्र सर मो क्वेश्चन है कि गोटे फिल्म मेकिंग प्रोसेस रे आपन को को पार्टा सबुठ अधिक चैलेंजिंग लगे आ को पार्टा यदि भल हो गला सबुठ अधिक सैटिस्फैक्शन मिले जे ई पार्टा भल हो गला तो हे गला अलग कौन होची न होची कि मते किछि माने फरक पड़नी एटा हे गला तो मोर आई एम सैटिस्फाइड विथ इट
So right now writing always, because I can't write. Hela, mu kohe writing re mu illiterate. Hela, so writing ta mu I always depend on others. That's something I find it very. Of course, my mind process well in terms of writing, but somebody has to write for me. Okay, I can't write, so that becomes a problem.
Idru, a question which comes from his question is, I have also worked in different mediums, and events is one. I realize events visualization is very, very important. If you don't see the event in your mind, the stage emiti ante haba katha, it makes a lot, and people don't have that talent.
Yeah.
It's a so apanku cinema ra scene guda dekha jaye, you don't want to write or you don't write, you have a writer. But when you tell your writer, is it a challenge? Obviously, if it's a known writer, it's easier. Je mote scene ta ante dekha jauchi, tame eha likho.
No, from my story stage, I can see my film.
That's it.
So that's always there.
That's very important.
It's not only that many actors discovered, they came back and told me one day, many people who have come back and told me, which I find it very interesting about myself, I'm saying. They say, you can see tomorrow. I said, what do you mean? I'm not a Baba who can see tomorrow. I said, no. So when I'm shooting also, if I'm shooting a scene, I literally plan, because it's a sequence of events which is taking place in a cinema. So unless you see how you're driving that tomorrow, the next scene or the next scene, you cannot shoot now. So from writing stage, I can see my film. I do not even depend on a screenplay. So the many times I say, like I'm developing something, I said I don't even, which is what the challenge I did to myself in my last film, that how I will play my mind to shoot a film without a written script. I mean, each of us has different talent.
So your camera immediately talks.
Yeah, I am flowing with the time and actor without a manuscript, without a screenplay. So I flow with the time, and it was like overjoyed. It was a dream. It was a film. For 20 days, it did not make me sleep. I'm very particular about my sleep. I need 6 hours, 8 hours sleep. Otherwise, I go mad. That film, I did not sleep for 20 days. I did not realize how 20 days passed.
Passion and obsession was so much. So that brings to me another question. ये जो विजुअलाइजेशन प्रोसेस टा ये अपना राइटर को से विजुअलाइजेशन टा केमिता जणांती माने ऑब्वियसली इट्स योर परसेप्शन एवरीबॉडी हैज अ डिफरेंट परसेप्शन ना सेटा गोटे आपण जो द राइटर्स यू वर्क विथ इमीडिएटली अंडरस्टैंड योर थॉट एंड पुट इट इन वर्ड्स
I've changed the process. I used to be very dominant to writers. Okay, so the writers, they do not feel comfortable to work with me. So that's how a lot of good writers doesn't come probably. So I changed the process now. So how I changed the process is I said, this is my story, this is how I look at it, and you take 1 month, 2 months, whatever. Take your freedom and write, so that you're not a typewriter, you're a writer. So you give your vision, then I'll see what is working for me as a director or not.
बट नाइस फ्रेज वी गॉट राइटर को टाइप राइटर बनाते माने स्टेनोग्राफी भलिया या कहतु से लिखि दियो
But the
भल
same.
भल अक्षर लिखाई थो
Writer pore again editor, okay? Editor again has the same problem. You have a great writing, you have a great acting, you have great direction, or editor can, make your film fail. So that also I do. First cut, I always give the editor, do whatever you want. I will not interfere. And then I'll see.
That's true. ମୋର ମନେ ପଡ଼େ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଭେରି ବ୍ୟାଡ୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ରାଇଟିଂ ସୋ ଆଇ କ୍ୟାନ୍ ଥିଙ୍କ ଭେରି ଫାଷ୍ଟ କିନ୍ତୁ ଲେଖିଲା ବେଳେ ନିଜ ଲେଖାଟା ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ବୁଝିପାରେନି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ହ୍ୟାପେଣ୍ଡ ଇନ୍ ମାଇ କଲେଜ ଡେଜ୍ ଖାଲି ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ କାଗଜରେ ମୁଁ ଆଇ ୱାଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡିଂ କ୍ଲାସେସ୍ ସୋ ମାଇ ମଦର୍ସ କ୍ଲାସମେଟ୍ ହୁ ୱାଜ୍ ଇକୋନୋମିକ୍ସ ଲେକ୍ଚର ତୋ ପୁଅ ତ କେବେ ଆସୁନି କ୍ଲାସ୍ ବଟ୍ ମୁଁ ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ବହୁତ ଲେଖି ଦେଉଥିଲି ବୋଲି ପାସ୍ କରିଥିଲି ବିକଜ୍ ଦେ ଗଟ୍ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ ବଟ୍ ଯେ କ'ଣ ବହୁତ ଦେଇଦିଅ ମାର୍କ ତ ଏମିତିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଣ୍ଟରାକ୍ସନ୍ ମୋର ହେଲା ଟକିଂ ଆବାଉଟ୍ ରାଇଟିଂ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ରାଇଟିଂ ଆଣ୍ଡ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ରାଇଟିଂ. So one writer I was talking to, who's actually a filmmaker and part of Odia films, that fun part which comes in. से को देखा मैं लिखिकी माने देखिलो केते सुंदर भाव में लिखिकी स्क्रिप्टटा देछि हाउ डज इट मेक अ डिफरेंस हैंड राइटिंग भलो थिलो कि सिनेमाटा भलो बोली किछि माने नै. So that whole perception about a performing art, you can have a brilliant artist who can do a brilliant replica. पेंटिंग मोनालिसार पेंटिंगटा से आउथरे बहुत सुंदर भाव करदेवे किंतु निजर थॉट प्रोसेस इधर ना. बट आवर जनरेशन आवर पेरेंट्स मे बी वी एज पेरेंट्स वी ऑलवेज थॉट ओह कि सुंदर ड्राइंगटा कर मो पुओ जेनता गछटा देखा छेंता से करी. एंड यू आर शोइंग मी सम स्टफ व्हिच योर सन हैज डन इन फैशन अमेजिंगली लिटरली पीपल older guys would thinking about that. We need a generation which can think beyond.
They do. This new generation, I'm very hopeful. I believe, I can see, I won't talk about other countries, but in my country, India, okay, in my state, I see the whole new generation going into another great level in terms of gender equality, creativity, rights issue, aesthetical value. It's very interesting generation.
It's something which we need to cope up with.
Yeah, we coping up because we had suffered through all that.
Right.
So, which is what I said. They just need little appreciation and support.
True, because we keep on blaming the older generation of not understanding us. So
Yeah.
we need to understand that the next generation is working faster and their information now entertainment tanga munduku ette asuchi.
Yeah.
It's very difficult for them to cope up. So we need they need our support and we need
could
theirs.
not process of one Doordarshan when 3 TV serials started. Now there are 300 TV channels and billions or millions of social media sites.
Correct.
How our mind will process. So that's how they have choice. They have a regulation in their mind. So it is, the world is, it's not you are exploring the world is exploring you. So which is why they choose a right path. Like till I finished my graduation and after till 3 years, I didn't know what to do. My son knew when he was in class 8 what he wanted to do.
So there's an insight which I've thought about. I don't know if there's any answers to that. आम पाखे एत कंटेंट अच्छी ओडिया हिंदी इंग्लिश मोबाइल फोन रे वीडियो गेम एवरीथिंग VR and everything is there. I've seen it in my home. When I go back from office or work, everybody is watching Big Boss and Anupama. Why? How is that still there? I'm not saying anything about the content. How is the TV content still so strong?
Well, I wonder also. I wonder that. I wonder also.
And sometimes you also end up because everybody is watching and you start watching more and more of that.
Not only that, which is interesting. Another part is, it's interesting. Of course, it's working well, which is fantastic. Is there are a lot of Odia songs I watch? They are like 15 million, 40
Likes
million,
and
50 million view, So which is nice, but I wonder where this audience is.
Actually. Good one. Okay, in the right perspective, we have our content head from MoTV, and he is also trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work.
Sir, my question is when you were just talking about the big stars like Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan. So, sir, their film also not working these days, and at the same time, Tollywood stars like us are being pan-India stars. So, what is your take on this?
Like I said, it's a world which is exploring you now. Okay, it's not till yesterday. It is I become a star and I dominate the world and I explore the world and I choose the path, so the others will follow. Now the world is exploring you, whether you are right or not. So the audience is choosing you, you are good or not. Audience is taking you, diverting your path. You will be successful or not, they are deciding. Okay. So in terms of stardom, I am saying, not cinema. Cinema is still cinema. What you want to do, you should do. Now, in terms of the star value, you see, Ayushmann Khurrana works, okay? Gajraj works, Anina Gupta works, okay? And we haven't seen big star film for a long time. We don't know what is going to happen post-COVID, when all the theatres will be open, bigger films will come. We don't know the impact. Suddenly, during the whole COVID time, you see the rise of all the platforms, okay? So, we are experiencing a whole new world in last 9 months. So, this is beginning of a new decade, 2021, okay? I would consider this is the new century almost.
Because after COVID, we have seen 100 years of challenge.
Yeah, 100 years of challenge. This is actually 100 years challenge. So, this will drive the world in terms of entertainment, life, your future, everything. And I could see a lot of positivity, a lot of positive ways for the world to change. Okay. So, I'm not denying that star will not work, star will always work. The smaller actors will become big, bigger will down, all that is a process. End of the day, people would like to see some good cinema in their life. You give good cinema, they will watch.
Sir, do you think Bollywood रे सर जमती देखिए आपण टॉलीवुड रे जेतिकी स्कोप अछि बा जेतिकी बड़ा कैनवास रे सेमाने करूछंती बॉलीवुड रे भी सेमती करूछंती त आपण भाबुछंती कि जो भल राइटर्स होंतु क्रिएटिव पीपल होंतु सेमाने जो मानक पाखे पहुँचवा कथा जमती शाहरुख खान होंतु कि सलमान खान होंतु तांक पाखे पहुँची पारु नांती और देयर इज एनी अदर इशू रहउची जोठी टॉलीवुड रे जोठी पहुँची पारुछंती सेठी पहुँची पारु नांती कोन पे
नॉट नेसेसरी ओके नॉट नेसेसरी तो कोटी पहुँची पारुछंती न पहुँची पारुछंती इट्स नॉट द मैटर इट्स नॉट दैट कि शाहरुख खान को स्क्रिप्ट मिल ताको दिन को 10टा स्क्रिप्ट मिल ओके इट इज व्हाट दे चूज so it's not in anybody's hand of the day. Of course, like I said, a director is half manager also, your management also. A director combines, so if they combine everything from action to writing to actors to everything, it's a big call. The bigger problem for our industry is we do not understand what is a producer's role. We believe producer mane je paisa lagela.
Where I come in, that's advice is good.
Okay. So producer, if you have a producer who understands cinema, for instance, Sanu can make a great producer. Why? You understand content. Okay. For decision, imagine how important a producer is. A producer will decide से गुटे पाइले गुटे स्टोरी किसले ना एथे लगी ये संजय ठीक हबो कि माधव पंडा ठीक हबो कि सुशांत मणि ठीक हबो कि की हबो का को भी गुटे. That's a huge decision. Once he brings the director, the producer works with director. Producer माने कौन है? फिल्म टा आरंभ होला जय जगन्नाथ हैला तापरे जल्दी सार रिलीज करिबा. That is the producer जब पैसा केते बंचैली हैला पैसा अधिक खर्च हो गला माने प्रोड्यूसर लॉस. No. If it is producer who has to think that I'll make a film which I wanted, I'll have the right team, then automatically it will make money. Or cinema, any creativity is always a risk. There is no guaranteed business for that.
तामाने मु गोटे भलो प्रोड्यूसर कैन आई गिव चिन्मय 1.5 years to do 4 episodes of web series while Jyoti was hitting my head every time सरuni कौन करिवे बट मु पेश नहीं भलो काम होची हो आई डिडंट हैव अ चॉइस कैन दीटा एपिसोड से दीटा एपिसोड नॉट अरे बिफोर वी वाइंड अप एंड वी आस्क अबाउट द फ्यूचर ऑफ Nirmala Ponda, one thing which is I'm very impressed with you as a friend, as a as a person, as a human being, as a professional. मत बहुत गोटे गोटे जिन ऑल ऑफ यू विल अग्री आवर ऑडियंस आपण जो सिनेमार ना गुड़ा दियंती ना आउटस्टैंडिंग आई एम कलाम, जल परी, कौन कितने पानी में, एवरीथिंग इज सो डिफरेंट. बबलू हैप्पी है, हल्का एंड ये जो कालीरती तो सच ए ब्रिलियंट नेम क्या आम ना खोजु खोजु इतने हैरान हो. आई ऑल्सो थॉट आई एम गुड एट कॉइनिंग नेम्स इन इंग्लिश और हिंदी और ओडिया बेटर इन इंग्लिश, बट इट्स सच ए जॉब. इतने सुंदर ना आप दियंती. यू गेट सम हेल्प और जस्ट सम रात हठात उठिला यू जस्ट कम अप विथ कालीरती तो
ना मु ना गुड़ा भूली जाए तो इसलिए भोल ना पड़े आसे. सो आई कीप डिस्कवरिंग दैट
when you forget people's names. So that's interesting. So our final question, not exactly the final question, because I think your career is just beginning. When I'm at 47, 46, whatever, a lot of directors are just beginning to see films in a different way. 2021 after 2020, which has been bad, good, different for different reasons. 2021 अपन, you know, your book is coming out, which is going to be absolutely great. So this is किसी कहे and what are your next projects which we can get a hint of, and for the audience here let me say that this present film obviously is going to go to the big league and we can expect some big nominations in the international circuit. We wish you all the best for that.
Thank you.
So Nilamada Ponda as a filmmaker, Nilamada Ponda as a human being, and Nilamada Ponda as an Odia. I mean, how do we see him in the next 2-3 years?
Well, it's Nilamada Ponda as Nilamada Ponda, okay, and of course, like I say, obsessive Odia Nilamada Ponda, okay. I have that always, and I'm very proud of it. Of course, one is Kalirati, which took a long time because I did sound mixing almost 6-8 months. Okay, so the sound was a very crucial part for the film. It's a small independent film, but it's something which makes me very happy. So I could sleep well during COVID time because I had made a beautiful film. Okay, and then I have produced something very interesting. So I produced a children's feature film called Vishwa, which was shot just before COVID in Chilka, Konark and Puri. Okay, it's about a blind boy. Okay, so which is very entertaining, and we are now started sending the festivals and discussing with the platforms. It's Hindi film. And of course, during the COVID, it was by chance I got that time, so I finished. I mean, I'm still working. It's a series which I'm starting soon. Okay, it's something I worked for a long time, but something that's something I'm looking forward to, as well as my book called Return to Innocence. So it's a big book. It's like a emotional journey of me, my father, and my son. But it's relevant to the earth, how it has moved in last 100 years. From the civilization which established in my village till the age of pandemic. Okay, and what the world should look forward to. So it says a lot of, it makes a lot of sense where how our ecosystem, human ecosystem, that is your own as well as the earth, you have disturbed, and how important, relevant that little innocence in your life.
Thank you so much, Nilamada, for coming to our show, Showcase Icon, and you were one of our first Showcase award winners. So we're thankful you were there then and you're there with us again. And I'm sure there's a great future ahead for ODIs with people like you in the forefront, and I'm sure our live audience, our online audience have had great fun and a lot of learning from this experience. And our problem is we don't have enough people, forget about celebrities and icons, enough people with experience to tell the next generation about what is right, what is wrong, what is in between. Yeah. So thank you so much, and we'll of course meet you again in another show of Showcase Icon. Our age of story ta it is sorry there will be more stories coming up so in the near future. So thanks everybody. Namaskar.
Thank you.